TD Double Up Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you've been searching for a credit card that maximizes your everyday spending while offering rewards you can actually use, the TD Double Up Credit Card might have caught your eye. But in 2025, with so many credit card options out there, it's natural to ask, is this card really worth it, or should you leave it? Today, we're breaking down every detail of the TD Double Up Credit Card, the rewards, perks, fees, and everything in between so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the rewards. The TD Double Up Credit Card is built around the idea of boosting your everyday purchases with extra cashback. Unlike many traditional cashback cards, the Double Up concept allows you to earn up to double the rewards under certain conditions. For instance, the card offers a flat cashback rate on all purchases, which is automatically doubled when redeemed for specific gift cards or through TD's rewards portal. Most people get this wrong. They assume all cashback cards offer straightforward cashback, but TD's model rewards strategic use. By redeeming points wisely, you can effectively increase the value of your rewards substantially. In practical terms, let's say you spend $1,000 on your card in a month. With a standard cashback rate of 1%, you'd earn $10 back. But with the Double Up feature, if you redeem those rewards on eligible gift cards, you could potentially turn that $10 into $20 worth of value. This makes the TD Double Up particularly appealing for people who regularly use gift cards for everyday shopping, dining, or travel. It's an often overlooked trick that can double the impact of your rewards without any additional spending. Next, let's talk about the welcome bonus. TD frequently offers introductory incentives for new cardholders, typically contingent on spending a certain amount in the first 3 months. For example, you might see offers where spending $500 in 3 months earns you an additional $50 in cashback rewards. While it may not seem huge compared to some premium travel cards, it's important to remember that TD Double Up is geared toward everyday, practical use rather than high-end luxury rewards. Many people underestimate the value of a smaller, consistent bonus that complements ongoing rewards. It adds up faster than you think over a year. Now, let's address fees. The TD Double Up credit card is positioned as a no annual fee card, which instantly makes it more attractive to those who are fee sensitive. There are no hidden maintenance costs, which means all the rewards you earn go directly to you. In contrast, premium cards with high annual fees often require careful calculation to determine if the rewards outweigh the costs. With TD Double Up, the simplicity of no annual fee combined with the Double Up reward structure makes it easy to earn value without worrying about breaking even. Interest rates are another important factor. The card has a standard variable APR, which is typical for cashback cards. Carrying a balance month to month could quickly eat into your rewards, so it's best suited for cardholders who pay off their balance in full. Most people get this wrong. They focus solely on rewards but don't consider interest costs. For instance, earning $20 in rewards is meaningless if you carry a $1,000 balance at 20% interest. Paying in full each month ensures your rewards remain pure value. The TD Double Up credit card also includes purchase protections, which can be surprisingly valuable. These protections cover things like extended warranties and purchase protection for eligible items. Let's say you buy electronics or household items with your card. If the product is damaged or stolen within a certain period, the card can provide reimbursement. Many people don't realize the real-world value of these protections. They can save you hundreds of dollars over time, adding to the overall benefit of the card. Another key perk is the simplicity of the card's rewards tracking. TD provides an easy-to-use online portal where you can monitor your points, see redemption options, and make smart choices about how to use your rewards. Clarity and transparency are important because some cashback or point programs have confusing tiers or restrictions. With TD Double Up, the process is straightforward, making it ideal for people who want a set it and forget it approach to maximizing rewards. It's also worth discussing spending categories. While some cards offer high rewards in specific categories like gas or groceries, the TD Double Up focuses on a flat, universal rate that applies to all purchases. This universality is great if your spending is varied or hard to categorize. You don't have to worry about tracking whether a purchase qualifies for a bonus category. Everything counts toward your Double Up rewards. For families, professionals, or anyone with diverse spending habits, this can make a significant difference in maximizing value without extra effort. When comparing TD Double Up to other cashback cards in 2025, a few things stand out. First, the no annual fee structure combined with the ability to effectively double rewards gives it a competitive edge over basic flat-rate cashback cards. Second, While it doesn't provide travel-specific perks like lounge access or travel insurance, it excels at delivering straightforward, reliable rewards for day-to-day purchases. Third, its value is amplified for those who frequently redeem points for gift cards or items that take advantage of the Double Up feature. The surprising truth is that for many cardholders, this card can outperform more complicated rewards programs simply by focusing on consistent, smart redemption. On the flip side, there are a few limitations. If you're looking for a card primarily for luxury travel perks or premium concierge services, TD Double Up isn't designed for that. Its strengths lie in everyday practical use, not exclusive travel benefits. Additionally, because the best rewards are realized through specific redemptions, you need to be intentional about how you use your points. Passive earners who don't actively redeem points strategically may not experience the full potential of the Double Up feature. Let's break down some real-world examples. Imagine you spend $500 monthly on groceries, $300 on gas, and $200 on dining. At a flat 1% cashback rate, that's $10, $6, and $2 respectively, totaling $18 in monthly rewards. Redeeming these through the Double Up feature for eligible gift cards could turn that $18 into $36 worth of value. Over a year, that's an extra $216, essentially a free benefit just for spending money you would already spend. Compare that to a standard 1% cashback card with no redemption multiplier, and the advantage becomes clear. Customer support is another area where TD stands out. TD provides dedicated support for cardholders, ensuring that any questions about rewards, redemption, or billing are handled efficiently. For people new to using rewards cards or who appreciate reliable service, this can make a difference in overall satisfaction and confidence in using the card. In summary, the TD Double Up credit card in 2025 is designed for people who value simplicity, practical rewards, and flexibility. Its no annual fee structure, flat cashback rate, and the unique Double Up redemption feature make it a compelling choice for everyday spending. The card is particularly strong for those who are disciplined about paying balances in full and strategically redeeming rewards. It may not be the ideal choice for luxury travelers seeking high-end perks, but for the average consumer focused on maximizing everyday value, it stands out. Most people get this wrong by overlooking the redemption strategy. The Double Up feature isn't just a gimmick. It's a way to get double the value of your spending when used correctly. You won't believe how much extra value you can extract from everyday purchases if you plan your redemptions thoughtfully. In conclusion, if your goal is a practical, rewarding, no annual fee card that turns routine spending into tangible benefits, the TD Double Up credit card is definitely worth considering in 2025. With careful management and strategic redemption, it can deliver real, consistent value without the complexity of premium cards or the pitfalls of high fees. If you want simplicity, reliability, and a smart way to double your rewards, this card deserves a close look. On the other hand, if your priorities lean toward luxury travel or high-end perks, there may be better options suited to your lifestyle. Ultimately, the TD Double Up credit card rewards those who spend wisely and redeem strategically, making it a strong contender for everyday financial empowerment.